Hey everybody, Jason here. Today I want to show you one of the trending thumbnail themes that I see with a lot of the big YouTubers, and I wanted to quickly show you how to create a silhouette of yourself with a white outline going around your image. So stay tuned to check it out. So the first tool I wanted to show you to do this project is Mule, and they have a program called Trace. So it's stickermule.com/trace. You're going to take a photo of yourself. The way I did it with my photo is I took a picture. Actually, I took a video of myself using my iPhone, and then I took specific frames in my video that I liked of myself and took screenshots of those. So once I have the correct screenshots that I want to remove the background from, I go ahead and bring it into Trace. I click to find the photo that I want to do. So for example, let's do this one here. All right, so you can see nicely that Sticker Mule took the background off of this image. So what I like to do is make the image fill the space as well as I can without overlapping the borders. And I think that looks good. And then I usually crop it a little bit just so I don't have any extra image. And push done and then download. And then you have to do download one more time to download the full image. Once you have that image downloaded, you want to bring it over to Pixlr. So you're going to go, so pixlr.com, Pixlr.com, and let me show you where this was to begin with. So I like the Pixlr E model. And again, you want to take that image that you just removed the background from, bring it into Pixlr. So now we're going to make the image all white, so it will create the border around ourselves. So to do that, I like to go to Adjustment. I go to Levels, and I take the black color here and bring it all the way over to white, and boom, there we go. I have a silhouette of myself. So you're gonna go to File, you're gonna save, and you're gonna save that as a PNG. I like to bring it over to one of my favorite tools for graphic design, which is Canva. I really enjoy Canva. I know a lot of people will probably use Photoshop over Canva, but I think Canva gets the job done without being too technical and overly complicated. So what you're gonna do is, once you get to Canva, if you've never been here before, Canva has some great templates. So you want to do, you can search up here for templates that you're looking for. And let's see, we have YouTube channel art, we have YouTube thumbnail. So find one that you like, you want to maybe start with, and edit it. So for the sake of this exercise, I'm just going to create a blank one. I'm going to upload both my silhouette and the image. And I'm going to make the image the silhouette slightly bigger. And to see this right, you probably want to drop in a background of anything just for the time being. So let's do this pink, this purple back. So let's do this purple background. So now just position yourself on top of the silhouette to create your outline. So you might want to play around with this a little bit and get it to where you like it. I find that you want to get them just about the same size and then shrink down one or just grow one a little bit. And I kind of like the off to the left look like this, but you can play around with that all you want and make it where you want. So I kind of like this. I group it together, and then I'll be able to resize it in any fashion that I want. And you can also say you want to have yourself pointing the opposite way. You could always flip it. Flip horizontal, and now I have it pointing away. You might have to ungroup it and make some small, actually you have to flip your background too. So I like it right about there. I think that looks good. And again, you can group them and then resize it all you want. And say you don't like it, you want to adjust it a little bit, you can ungroup it again. And I'm gonna make things a little tighter. There, that kind of looks good. Group it. I'm gonna bring myself down here in the corner and have myself kind of bleeding into the image. So as you can see, I made a couple sample thumbnails of myself just so I had them ready to go. So next time I want to make a video, I just have some templates here that are made up. Here's one with me pointing looking like a goofball. Here's another one with me looking all sophisticated looking at the title. And then I have one I've been using for the past few videos. Very simple and easy to set up. It's very simple, very easy to do, and it only takes you a couple minutes to do this. So again, I just wanted to show you a quick and easy way to make these trending thumbnails with yourself as a silhouette with a border around yourself easily in Canva. If you have any questions or if you have any video topics that you'd like me to go over, please reach out to me in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed, please do so already. This channel is brand new and I'm looking to get some more subscribers. So if this is something that's helpful for you, please give me a subscribe and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much and have a great day.